Scandinavian design has long been celebrated for its effortless blend of functionality and beauty. But when combined with a bold black exterior, it takes on an entirely new dimension: modern, sophisticated, and undeniably striking. This video explores the essence of a Black Scandinavian modern home, where minimalism meets warmth and contemporary design embraces coziness. While traditional Scandinavian homes favor white and neutral palettes to enhance natural light, black introduces a daring yet harmonious contrast. It provides a sense of depth and elegance while still maintaining the signature warmth of Nordic design. Matte black facades, dark-stained wood, and charcoal-hued details transform this home into an architectural masterpiece that stands confidently within its natural surroundings. Despite its bold color, a Black Scandinavian modern home never feels cold or unwelcoming. This is due to the careful selection of materials: warm oak floors, soft wool textures, and raw stone accents that balance the darkness with organic beauty. The use of natural materials not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures sustainability, echoing the Nordic commitment to eco-friendly living. Scandinavian design is deeply connected to nature, and in a Black modern home, expansive windows play a crucial role. They invite an abundance of natural light, softening the intensity of dark tones while seamlessly merging indoor and outdoor spaces. Whether overlooking a snow-covered landscape or a lush green forest, these windows create a living portrait of the ever-changing seasons. Minimalism is at the heart of Scandinavian aesthetics, but in a black-themed home, warmth is key to preventing a stark or austere atmosphere. Soft lighting, plush furnishings, and carefully curated decor elements ensure that simplicity never feels empty. Every piece is intentional, chosen for both form and function, embodying the Scandinavian principle of less but better. Beyond its striking facade, the interiors of a Black Scandinavian modern home are designed to evoke comfort and tranquility. The Danish concept of hygge, a feeling of coziness and contentment, guides every design choice. Soft knitted throws, candlelit corners, and inviting seating areas transform the home into a retreat from the outside world, where warmth is felt not just physically but emotionally. Scandinavian homes embrace open floor plans, allowing for a seamless flow between living, dining, and kitchen areas. In a Black Scandinavian modern home, this openness is accentuated by light-colored wooden floors and neutral-toned furnishings that soften the boldness of black walls. The result is a space that feels both expansive and intimate, encouraging connection and effortless living. A Black Scandinavian home isn't just about one solid hue, it's about the interplay of different shades and textures. Deep charcoal walls contrast with light gray stone countertops, while matte black cabinetry is offset by soft white textiles. This subtle layering of tones adds depth, ensuring that the home remains visually engaging without overwhelming the senses. Lighting is an essential element in Scandinavian design, particularly in darker-themed homes. Soft, diffused lighting, through pendant lamps, wall sconces, and floor lamps, adds warmth and prevents spaces from feeling too dim. Statement fixtures in black metal or natural brass serve as both functional and artistic elements, enhancing the contemporary aesthetic while maintaining an inviting ambience. To counterbalance the boldness of black, greenery plays a vital role in Scandinavian interior design. Houseplants like fiddle-leaf figs, olive trees, and potted ferns add vibrancy and life to the space. Paired with natural wood and stone textures, these botanical accents reinforce the connection between the home and the outdoors, a key principle of Scandinavian living. A Black Scandinavian Modern Home embraces the philosophy that every item should serve a purpose. Clutter is replaced with intentional design, where sleek built-in storage solutions maintain a clean and organized look. Yet, the home never feels sterile. Woven baskets, soft linen curtains, and handcrafted ceramics add warmth, proving that simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing character. Scandinavian homes are designed to embrace all seasons, and outdoor spaces play a crucial role. A black timber-clad patio, a cozy fire pit corner, or a minimalist deck with simple wooden furniture extends the warmth of a home into the fresh air. Whether it's crisp winter mornings or golden summer evenings, these spaces encourage a deeper appreciation for nature's beauty. A Black Scandinavian Modern Home is more than just a striking architectural statement. It is a testament to balance. Bold yet welcoming, contemporary yet cozy, minimalist yet full of life. It embodies the essence of Scandinavian design, proving that even the darkest tones can create a home filled with light, warmth, and timeless elegance.